Bismillahir-Rahmanir-Rahim. What if I told you that what looked like a painful defeat became one of the greatest victories in Islamic history? This is the real story of the Treaty of Hudaybiyyah, a moment that changed Islam forever, without a single battle. Background, 628 CE. In 628 CE, Prophet Muhammad saw a dream that Muslims were entering Mecca peacefully to perform Umrah. Dreams of prophets are truth, so he set out with around 1,400 companions, carrying no weapons except those allowed for travel. Their intention was clear, peaceful worship, not war. However, the Quraysh of Mecca feared that allowing Muslims to enter would weaken their authority. They stopped the Prophet and his companions outside Mecca, at a place called Hudaybiyyah. A tense situation. For days, negotiations continued. Tension was high. At one point, a rumor spread that Uthman ibn Affan, R.A., had been killed. The Prophet took a pledge from his companions under a tree, known as Bayat al-Ridwan, promising loyalty even unto death. Later, it became clear that Uthman, R.A., was safe. Negotiations resumed. The treaty that shocked the Muslims. Finally, a peace treaty was written between the Muslims and the Quraysh. But the terms shocked many companions. Muslims would return to Medina without Umrah. They could come back next year. Any Makkan who accepted Islam and went to Medina would be returned. Any Muslim who returned to Mecca would not be returned. To many companions, these terms felt humiliating. Even Umar ibn al-Khattab, R.A., questioned them emotionally. But Prophet Muhammad accepted the treaty with calm confidence. Wisdom beyond emotions. Why would the Prophet accept such terms? Because he saw what others could not. This treaty meant peace for 10 years. No war. No bloodshed. For the first time, Islam could be spread freely through dialogue, not conflict. Allah revealed in the Quran, "Indeed, we have given you a clear victory." Surah Al-Fath, 48:1. What looked like defeat was declared a clear victory by Allah Himself. The results, the real victory. After Hudaybiyyah, people met Muslims without fear. Thousands accepted Islam within 2 years. Islam spread faster than ever before. Many Quraysh leaders later accepted Islam. When Muslims returned to Mecca peacefully the next year, their numbers had more than doubled. And just 2 years later, Mecca was conquered without resistance. Powerful lesson. Hudaybiyyah teaches us that patience is strength. Wisdom is greater than anger. True victory is not always immediate. Allah's plan is always greater than our emotions. Prophet Muhammad showed the world that peace can be more powerful than war. Closing line, strong end. What seemed like a loss in the moment became a victory that reshaped history. Peace and blessings be upon Prophet Muhammad.